Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible. This is 2012 Nissan Rogue. It goes from 2008 to 2013, half of 2013. We gotta clog the sunroof and gotta fix the drain. And I'm gonna show you real quick how to get that done. The car's mostly taken apart, but I'm gonna show you what I can. I apologize for the bad lighting. It looks like it's about to rain, so I need to hurry up and get this done. That's why I gotta make this quick. All right. So I have the sunroof open. If you look on top of the sunroof, in that little corner is a drainage thing. Let me see if I can give you some light. Boom, right there. There's a drainage thing. All right. There's a drainage hole, and there's another one on that side. All right. So the drainage comes to the front over this way, down the pillar, and it goes out through the front. All right. Now in the front, the drainage thing is behind this, but I took all this out. You can't get up. Can't get to it. Like, you can't physically get to it, except maybe if you take this whole side panel off, which nobody's trying to do, including myself. So I did all the extra work for you. It's not accessible. You have to take the glove box out. All right. So the glove box, you got to open it up. It's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. Once you get that out, you pull the glove box out. Boom. I took all this out. It wasn't needed, but it's out. But that's not the hose we're looking for. We got to go further up. See if I can get you a picture. See if I can get you a shot. There. That's the hose we're looking for. Okay. So you got to pull that hose off. I put something in there and push everything out. Right. And then put your hose back on. Pour some water in and check under the car. Check under the car to make sure the water comes out. And then you got your problem solved. The problem is at the end of it, they put a little screen on there that's supposed to catch debris, but it ends up clogging it. So once you push that out, use whatever you can. If you have to use a screwdriver or anything to push that out, if you have to use a screwdriver or whatever to push that out, use whatever you have to use. You know what I'm saying? I was going to use compressed air, but I realized, well, if it's clogged, compressed air is really not going to help. So I just used this tool here, which is actually 4 drainage pipes, and I just forced everything out. Right, and hopefully it broke the screen so that it won't clog again. And then there you have it. Water pours out. Now I got to do the other side, and then we'll be done. All right, the driver's side, you're gonna need to take off this trim right here. There's just 1 bolt underneath this. There's gonna be 1 bolt underneath this, right here. Then unhook the hood latch, and you're gonna go up. Otherwise, you don't have to take nothing else apart. I took this stuff apart because I was trying to find it, but I can't even get you a picture video of it. But you gotta stick your arm way up there, and you'll feel for it. Just feel around. Let me see if I can. There it is, right there. There's the hose for the driver's side drain. Pull that out. It was clogged right there. I put something through it just to clear it out, and boom, it works like a charm. Done. But let me go ahead and go. I want to keep this short so that y'all can see how to do it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm out.